Welcome to Tell All Wealth. Today we're exploring effective strategies to build wealth even if you're on a low income. Stay tuned for actionable tips that can transform your financial situation. You might think building wealth is impossible on a low income. That's just not true. It's entirely possible to build wealth regardless of how much you earn. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. Effective money management is the key to financial stability and growth. Developing good financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing can set you on the path to financial independence. It starts with taking control of your money. Track your expenses, set financial goals, and stick to a budget. Imagine the relief of knowing you have a financial cushion. By saving regularly, you can build an emergency fund. Financial stress can take a toll on your health. By managing your money, you can reduce this stress. This journey is about transforming how you view and handle your finances. Building wealth is a gradual process that requires patience and discipline. By laying the groundwork now, you can ensure a stable and prosperous financial future. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Are you ready to start building a brighter financial future? Let's get started. The first step to financial success is simple. Create a budget. A budget isn't about restricting your life, it's about making your money work for you. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you earn and spend. You might be surprised where your money is going. Next, create a plan for your money. Decide how much you'll allocate to each category, like housing, food, and transportation. Stick to your budget as much as possible. Budgeting takes practice, but it's worth it. It gives you control over your finances and helps you reach your goals faster. Life throws curveballs. Car repairs, unexpected medical bills, or sudden job loss can happen to anyone. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses. It's your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start small. Even saving $50 a month adds up over time. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account. This makes it less tempting to spend and easily accessible when you need it. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and protects you from financial disaster. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back. It can be overwhelming, causing stress and anxiety as you try to manage your finances. It's time to break free. Imagine the relief and joy of no longer being burdened by debt. Picture yourself celebrating each milestone as you get closer to financial freedom. Start by making a list of all your debts, including balances and interest rates. This will give you a clear picture of what you owe and help you create a plan. There are two popular methods for tackling debt: the snowball and the avalanche. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first, giving you quick wins. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. Getting out of debt takes dedication, but the feeling of freedom is priceless. Imagine the sense of relief and accomplishment you'll feel once you're no longer weighed down by debt. Stay determined and remember that every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Living below your means is a sensible pathway to financial freedom. It doesn't mean being cheap, it means being intentional with your money. It's about making thoughtful decisions that align with your financial goals and values. It's about spending less than you earn and making conscious choices. This involves prioritizing your needs over your wants and being mindful of your spending habits. Look for ways to cut costs in your everyday life. This could mean planning your meals ahead of time to avoid unnecessary grocery purchases or finding discounts and deals on items you regularly buy. Cook at home more often. Not only is it usually cheaper than eating out, but it also allows you to make healthier choices and enjoy quality time with family and friends. Find free or low-cost entertainment options. Enjoying nature, having a picnic, or playing games with loved ones can be just as fulfilling as expensive outings. Shop around for better deals on insurance or utilities. Compare different providers and plans to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Challenge yourself to live on a smaller percentage of your income. This might mean setting a budget and sticking to it, or finding creative ways to reduce your expenses. Put the extra money towards your financial goals, like paying off debt or investing. Every dollar saved can bring you one step closer to financial freedom. Living below your means frees up more money to save, invest, and achieve your dreams. It provides a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you're in control of your financial future. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. Automate your savings and investments to ensure you're consistently putting money aside. This can help you stay on track and make progress towards your long-term goals. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and take control of your financial destiny. Celebrate your financial milestones, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress can motivate you to keep going and stay committed to your financial journey. Investing in yourself is the gift that keeps on giving, because it's the best investment you can make. Increasing your knowledge and skills can lead to higher earning potential. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications in your field. Many affordable options are available. Don't be afraid to learn new things. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities will open up for you. Investing in yourself is a lifelong journey that pays dividends over time. Side hustle power can be achieved by boosting your income and skills. Want to earn extra income and gain new skills? Starting a side hustle might be the answer. Think about your interests and skills. What services or products could you offer? You could freelance online, start a blog, sell handmade goods, or provide pet sitting services. The possibilities are endless. A side hustle can supplement your income, help you reach your financial goals faster, and provide valuable experience. It's a great way to explore new interests and potentially turn your passion into a full-time career. Growing your wealth with smart saving and investing, which are essential for building long-term wealth. Start by setting up a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund and short-term goals. Once you've built a solid foundation, consider investing in low-cost index funds or mutual funds. These investments offer diversification and the potential for long-term growth. Don't be afraid to start small. Even investing a small amount regularly can make a big difference over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing can seem daunting, but plenty of resources are available to help you get started. Seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. Charting your course by understanding the power and importance of financial goals will give you direction and motivation. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to buy a house, retire early, or travel the world? Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Make them SMART goal, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your goals into smaller steps. This makes them feel less overwhelming and helps you track your progress. Regularly review your goals and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Having clear financial goals keeps you focused and committed to your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.